Hello.
Hello.
Hello. Good morning, V.
Good morning.
You can still study in cloud class.
Yes.
Why? You
I don't
cannot
know.
you cannot log in?
Yes.
Yeah, okay. So anyway, so we're just going to study in Zoom, okay? Okay, so let me share with you the screen. Okay.
Yeah.
So last time, I hope you can see the screen. Can you see the screen, V?
Yeah, I can see.
Yeah, okay. So last time we're able to study about asking question and together with the answer, okay? So together with the positive answer and negative answer. Okay, like for example, do you want to learn to swim? Okay, so remember, if we are going to use do as our question, okay, in asking question, so the subjects must be you, we, and they. But if you're going to use thus, so the subjects would be he, she, or it. Okay, V? So like for
Okay.
example, do you want to learn to swim? So there are two possible answers to that. We can also say positively, yes, you do. Or if you're talking about yourself, you can say, yes, I do. Okay. But if you don't, so you are going to say, no, you don't, or no, I don't. Okay, V? Okay, another one. Does Marie want to learn to cook? So there are also two possible answers to that. If the answer is positive, so you are going to say yes, she does. But if the answer is negative, so you are going to say no, she doesn't. Okay? So do you have any questions with this, V, before we have to move on? Do you have any questions?
No.
No. Okay. So let's try to have a practice. Now, in exercise number 1, we have to write the adverb with the ly. So how are we going to do that, B? How are we going to
Yeah.
write the adverb? Hmm? Okay. So this one becomes we just have to put only
Lee.
ly, add only
Slowly.
ly. So this becomes slowly. Okay. Very good. So it's slowly. Next, what about hard? It becomes.
Yeah.
So what
Hard.
about, yes?
Hardly.
So it becomes hardly. Okay, for a while. So this becomes hardly. So we just have to add only ly. What about this one? So this becomes hmm, the word awful. So this becomes, what do you think?
Yeah.
The
Carefully.
huh,
Awfully.
awfully. Okay, so you have to say awfully. Can you say it?
Awfully.
Yes, awfully. So it should be ly. So just add ly. So it ends in ly. So we just have to add ly. Okay, it ends in l. We just have to add l. So that's why we can see in here it's double l. What about here? Okay, what about this one? Patient becomes.
Yeah.
So patient becomes.
Heartily.
Okay, patiently. Can you say it?
Patiently.
Yes, so it becomes patiently. Next, what about this one? Happy
Yeah.
becomes.
Happily.
Okay, but in this particular word, happy, so what are we going to do with the Y? Okay, so we have to change that into I, right? And add ly. So this becomes happily. Okay. Next, what about quiet? So when you say quiet becomes,
Yeah.
so it becomes what?
Quietly.
It's quietly. Very good. Okay. Next, what about this one? Careful. So this
carefully,
becomes carefully. Very good. Okay, next. What about this one? Nice becomes. So nice becomes
uh,
nice.
nicely,
Okay. Next. What about this?
hardly,
Horribly. Okay. Okay, what you can say it? Horribly. Okay. Say horribly. Again, V. Horribly. So we are just going to omit, okay, or take away the e, so and add ly, so horribly. Okay, next, what about this?
oh, beautifully,
Yes, beautifully. Okay, can you say it again? Beautifully. Okay, beautifully, add ly. Next, what about this?
um, good, well,
Hmm?
goodly,
No, we don't have words that says good, God, goodly. Okay? So when we
yeah,
say good, that means, okay, how to do the adverb of that? So we can also say good and better, right?
oh, better,
Yes. Okay, what about when we say meat?
meat, meatly,
Yes, it's meatly. Okay, that's it. Okay? So again, let's try to read them. Okay, for a while, I have to change this. Oh, sorry. Undo. Okay. I just have to erase this one. Okay. And then, okay, for a while. So this becomes slowly. Okay. Let's try to read them, V. I'm going to read this one. You're going to read the blue one. Okay? Okay. Slow. Hello, V.
yeah,
Okay, I'm going to read the black one and you're going to read the blue one. Okay, go. Slow,
slow,
slowly. Okay, you're going to read the blue one.
slowly,
Okay, again. Slow,
slowly,
hard.
slow, hardly,
Okay, awful,
often,
awfully.
often,
Again.
happily,
Next, patient,
taste,
patiently. Again,
patiently,
patiently. Happy, happy.
happily,
Quiet, quietly. Again,
quietly,
careful,
uh, carefully,
nice,
yeah, nicely,
horrible, horribly. Again, say it again. Be
uh,
horribly.
hardly,
Horribly. Again,
horridly,
yes. Beautiful,
beautifully,
beautifully. Again, beautifully. Again,
beautifully,
okay. Good, better. Okay. Again, V.
Yeah. Better. Better.
Next, meet.
Yeah.
Meet.
Meatly.
Meetly. Okay, I want you to read them together. Okay, go. Go, V.
Yeah.
Slowly,
Slowly.
hardly, again.
Slowly. Hardly. Fully. Patiently. Patiently.
Patiently, again.
Patiently.
Okay.
Happily. Quietly. Carefully. Nicely. Humbly.
Horribly.
Horribly. Beautifully. Better. Meetly.
Okay. So let's move on. So do you have questions with this, V?
No.
No. Again, these are all adverb. Okay? These are all adverb. The one that we put the ly is what we called an adverb. Okay, next. Let's try to correct. Okay, for a while. I have to erase this. What happened? So let's erase them. Okay, next. Okay, choose the correct answer in here. Can you read the sentence and answer? Can you read the sentence, V?
Uh,
If you ask
if you
me,
ask me nicely,
okay, so nicely. Next. I will lend you my bike. Okay, next. Your Spanish.
yeah,
Can you
uh,
read them?
your Spanish is
Spanish.
quite friendly,
Okay. Your Spanish is quiet,
fluently,
fluently. Your Spanish is quite
flu,
fluidly. Okay.
fluently.
Next. What about next? My mother
My mother
doesn't
doesn't cook
cook
very
very good
well,
or well. Okay, very well, but she can
but
make
she can make this golly
deliciously scrambled eggs. But she can make deliciously scrambled egg. Next, the baby is usually the baby is
yeah.
usually
We can. The baby is usually cheerfully,
no, okay? It's cheerful, okay? So it's just only
cheerfully.
cheerful. So the baby is usually cheerful in the morning, okay? Not cheerfully. Okay, next. We run. Okay, why is it cheerful? Because our subject is a noun. So we are referring about a noun. So the baby is cheerful. So this one is what we called an adjective. Okay, V? So we call this as an adjective, but not, but not an adverb. Okay, next. But in here, we run,
Yeah.
we run.
We run quickly.
Okay, we run quickly. Very good. To catch the 9 o'clock train. Next, the dress looks
Yeah. Uh, The dress looks nice on you.
Okay, nice on you. Okay. Why is it nice? Because we're talking about the dress and the dress is nice. So that's an adjective. Next, Miss Jane is very blank driver. So what do you think would be the correct answer?
Yeah.
Okay,
Uh,
actually, number two, we're wrong, B, because that is not fluently. It's just only fluent, okay? It's fluent, not fluently. So we have to change our answer to that. So your Spanish is quiet, fluent, okay? And but she can make deliciously scrambled eggs. Okay, next. Number seven, Miss Jane is a very,
um,
so what do you think would be the correct answer? Careful or carefully driver?
yeah. Carefully.
No, it's careful, okay? Because we are talking about Jane, who is very careful. Careful, what kind of uh, careful driver? So we're talking about a driver, and we describe a driver, and a driver is a noun. So therefore, it's an adjective. Next, number eight, we
We
spent
spend the day booking Larry.
basking. Okay,
Basking
we spent the
Larry.
day basking lazily. Okay, can you say it? Lazily. Okay, next. Number nine. The maths test was, so we're talking about math, huh? Math. And math is a noun. So we are going to describe math. So math is easy. Okay,
Easy.
so easy for me. Next, number 10. I'm usually a slow or slowly walker. So we're talking about walker. What kind of walker is he or she? So he is or she is slow. So therefore, our answer is I'm usually a slow walker. Okay? Okay. So there are adverbs. These are adverb. Okay. This one is an adjective. This one is an adjective. Okay. And this one is an adverb. Okay. This one is adjective. This one is adverb. Okay, V. So actually we already studied about adjectives. We already studied about adverbs, right? So the only difference between the two is adjectives describes a noun or a pronoun, while adverb describes how, okay, or describe how it happens, okay, and describes a verb or an action word or another adjective, okay, or another adverb. So that is an adverb. Okay, V, do you have questions for that?
No.
No more question. Okay, so if you don't have any more question, okay, so let's proceed to our next lesson now. Okay, for a while. Okay, okay, so next lesson is about this one. Okay, so it's part also of our Unit 12, which is a good sport. So we're done already with the indoor and outdoor sports, right? We're done already with the adverbs with the ly suffix. And this time for our grammar, we're going to use the present continuous tense with the he, she, it, or want to learn structure. So we're done with this one now. And this time, let's proceed with the pronunciation. Okay, P? Okay, so let's try to watch a video. If you can be able to watch this, okay, for a while. It's there. Okay, let me open that, huh?
Okay,
Okay.
class, who would like
Can you see it?
to do problem 3 on the board?
Can you see the video, V? No, no.
Yeah, I can say
Okay, can you hear also?
yes.
Yes, okay. Let's watch that.
Smile and learn.
Hello, friends. Look at this awesome sticker album they gave me. It's a sports sticker album. Can you help me complete it? Let's open this envelope to see what stickers I got. The first one is a tennis sticker. We play tennis with a racket and a ball. Tennis! The next one is a swimming sticker. We practice swimming at the pool, and it's about moving the body to swim through the water. Swimming. And this one is a basketball sticker. In basketball, the winning team is the one that scores more points than the opposing team. To move, you need to bounce the ball. Basketball. This is a soccer sticker. In soccer, the winning team is the one that gets the ball over the opposing team goal line more times. You can kick or head the ball only. Soccer. A cycling sticker. Cyclists need a bicycle. The first one who crosses the finish line wins. Cycling. Let's see what else we have here. Athletics. Athletics is a group of sport activities like sprint running, jumping, and throwing. Athletics. The next one is a rowing sticker. In this sport, rowers propel a boat on water using oars. Rowing. And this is a rugby sticker. Rugby is played by two teams that have to carry the ball to the opponent's end of the field. The ball is oval-shaped. Rugby. Let's see this next one. A skiing sticker. To ski, skiers slide on snow using skis that are long boards fixed on their feet. Skiing. And the last sticker is a scuba diving sticker. Scuba diving is practiced underwater. You use goggles, diving flippers, and a diving tank. Scuba diving. We learned so many sports words today. Shall we recap them? Tennis. Swimming. Basketball. Soccer.
Cycling.
Cycling. Athletics. Rowing. Rugby. Skiing. Scuba diving. How amazing! Well, I still have to finish putting the stickers in the second part of the album. Don't miss the next video to learn more sports words. See you soon!
Okay. So that's the end of the video, V. So let's proceed with our presentation. Okay, can you see the presentation now? V?
Yeah.
Okay. Now, question is, how many sports do you know in this video? In the video that we had watched, how many sports do you know? Okay, do you know how to play basketball? Do you know how to play ski? Do you
Yeah.
know how to row? Do you know how to play soccer? Hmm?
Yeah.
Okay. So those are the sports that you know in the video. Now, can you name again what are the different sports in the video that we had just watched? Okay, we have. Okay, can you kindly give me three names of the sports that was presented in the video? Okay, number one,
Yeah. Number
what
one,
sport? Okay, give me three. Okay, in any order.
mhm,
Okay,
okay. Oh, yeah.
so number one.
Oh, I think
I think what? Okay. If I'm not mistaken, you said this one a while ago that you do swimming. Okay, so swimming is an
swimming,
example of the sport that can be seen in the video, right? Swimming, what else? Okay, another two. What about this? A person is holding this one. So this one is, what sport is this? This one is bus.
bus,
Basketball.
basketball,
Okay. Next, the third one. What about this? You know this sport? This one is rowing. Okay. Okay. And there's a lot more. So we can also say soccer. We can also say cycling. We can also say rowing. We can also say scuba diving. So these are, or those are the different sports. Okay. That in that particular video, we had able to see. Okay, V? Okay. Now let's try to read the text and match the numbers and the pictures in here. Okay? So
yeah.
okay, I'm going to read to you the poem. Okay, listen very carefully, and after that, you will going to read them. Okay? Okay, I'll read them. Activity center, lots of fun. A place to skate, sail, and run. Activity center. I'm skating well, round and round. I'm moving quickly over the ground. Activity center, lots of fun, a place to skate, sail, and run. Activity center. I'm climbing easily up the wall. I'm going carefully so I don't fall. Activity center. Lots of fun. A place to skate, sail, and run. Activity center. We're sailing happily. Our boat's short. We're going slowly. What a great sport. Activity center. Lots of fun, a place to skate, sail, and run. Activity center. Okay? Okay, so I want you to do your part now, V. Okay, go. Can you read them now?
Yeah.
Okay, go, V. It's your turn to read them all. Okay, from the
Uh,
start.
activity center, lots of fun,
Fun.
apply
Okay,
to
again, lots of fun. Again,
have fun.
yes. Okay, go.
Uh,
Continue.
lots of fun, apply to skate, apply to
Sail.
skate, sail and run.
Okay,
Activity,
sail and run. Again, sail and run.
sail and run.
Okay, next. Okay, next, V. I'm skating
Activity,
well. Again.
activity center,
Mm-hmm. Continue, V. Okay,
am skating well,
okay,
round and round, round and round. I'm moving quickly over the ground.
correct.
Activity center, lots of fun, apply to skate, sat and run. Activity center, I'm
Yes.
climbing easily
Fully
off
up
the
the
wall.
wall. I'm going carefully.
Uh, I'm going carefully
So
so I
I
don't.
don't fall.
Activity Center. Lots of fun. Apply to sky. Sat and run. Activity Center. We are sailing
Sailing.
happily.
Okay, again,
Sailing.
sailing. We're sailing happily.
We are sailing happily.
Our boat's short. Okay. Our boat's short. Again, V.
Yeah. Apply
Our boat's short.
about short.
We're
About
going
we are going slowly.
slowly. What
We are what
a
a
great
great sport.
sport. Activity center.
Activity Center. Lots of fun. Apply to sky. Sat and run. Activity Center.
Okay. Now let's try to find in here which do you think would be the one that we are referring in here? I'm skating well round and round. I'm moving quickly over the ground. So is it A, B, or C? I'm skating well round and round. I'm moving quickly over the ground. So where do you think is it, B? Hmm? Where do you think is that we are referring? Is it picture number letter picture letter A, picture letter B, or picture letter C? Which do you think is that? Where can you find a person that is skating? Is it picture A, picture B, or picture C?
One picture A.
It's picture A, skating. I'm skating well. Is she skating?
And picture C. Picture
Yes, okay. So the picture that shows that that she is skating or he is skating is picture letter C. Okay, next. What about I'm climbing easily up the wall. I'm going carefully so I don't fall. So where do you think would be that one? That picture is it A or B? I'm climbing. That means he is or she is climbing up the wall. So this one is a wall, right? So I'm climbing. That means
and climbing
what picture? Is it A, B, or C?
uh A.
Letter A. Very good because okay, this one is climbing. Okay, climbing up the wall. Next, number 3, we're sailing happily. Our boat's short. We're going slowly. What a great sport. So, what picture is that? It's obviously picture letter B. Okay, why? Because as you can see in here, they are sailing. Okay, and then they are riding a boat. So we can see a boat in here, but although their boat is short, right? And then in here we can say, or we can see skating, right? It's here. Okay, so therefore we can able to identify that they are skating. Okay, and in here, we can able to identify the picture because the person in here or the child in here is climbing. Okay, climbing up the wall. Okay, do you have questions, B, before we have to move on to the next one?
No.
Do you have questions?
No.
No. Okay, so let's proceed to the next one. Okay, now next activity is read the text, match the numbers and the pictures. Now apply the vocabulary and the structures to speak. Okay, what do you want to learn and why? Okay, look at apply this one. Okay, what do you want to learn and why? So, applying our lesson last time, okay, let's say for example, I want to learn to, right? Have you still remember that? I want to learn to what? Okay. Let's say for example, what the girl is doing. I want to learn to I want to learn to Okay, I want to learn to let's say fishing. Okay? Yes. So I want to learn to Okay, I want to learn to fish. No, not to fishing, but to fish. I want to learn to fish. Okay? So if the question would be like this, what do you want to learn and why? So what would be your answer? You can choose in here, right? So I want to learn to, what is this, V? Okay, maybe she is doing the sailing, right? So you can say, I want to learn to what? To
To
learn
learn
to
to
sail. Okay, so that would be okay, I want to learn to, okay, what she's doing? I want to learn to sail.
sail.
Okay, that's this one. Okay, next, what about this one? So what do you want to learn? So you can answer, I want to learn to, I want to learn to climb, right? Okay,
Yeah.
because he is climbing, right? Climbing the wall. What about this? You can say, I want. So what are you going to say that? What are you going to do? V, I want. Okay, continue. I want
I want
to learn to
I want to learn to skate.
skate. Very good. So I want to learn to skate. And the last but not the least in here, what about this one? So, what would be the answer? Okay, what would be the answer, V? I want to learn to
To
fish. Okay,
fish.
now look at this. If the question would be, what do you want to learn? So the possible answer to that would be this one. Okay, number one, if you want to learn to sail, so you are going to answer, I want to learn to sail. So we will be disconnected after okay, in less than a minute, V. So we just have to go back, okay? Okay.
Okay.
So what do you want to learn? Can you read this one, V? I want
I want
to learn
learn.
to
I want to learn
sail.
to sail.
Okay. Or what do you want to learn? I want to learn
To climb.
okay. What do you want to learn? So I want to learn sorry,
Want to
to learn
fish.
to
To learn to